Why didn't I discover this sooner? Even picky eaters will love this. Let's add water to a frying pan. Once boiling, add 500 g of liver until cooked. Drain the well-cooked liver, transfer to a board, and chop it smaller. Next, put all the liver in a bowl. Now let's add 2 eggs. Three cloves of minced garlic, 1 onion sliced into half moons, a bit of bell pepper, a pinch of salt. Now mix everything thoroughly. At this point, we'll add wheat flour. I added about 5 tablespoons. Keep adding and mixing until the texture's right. When it looks like this, it's ready. Now let's fry it in hot oil. Once golden on both sides, remove. It's done. Look how amazing this quick, easy, tasty recipe is. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.